WinDaq XL is real-time bridging software that allows you to export data from WinDaq Lite, Pro, and Pro Plus and the WinDaq Waveform Browser into Microsoft Excel. More than 1 million rows of data can be exported at rates up to 500 samples per second on a contemporary PC, both limits of Microsoft Excel. Before we demonstrate the capability of WinDaq XL, we'll take a look at the WinDaq XL toolbar. The Start button allows you to access the user input window where you'll fill in information for your specific application. The Stop command button immediately stops waveform data from being streamed to Excel. After the Stop button has been pressed, the Resume command button is used to continue streaming data. The Status command button gives you the current status of your charted waveform data. When you click the Status button, a pop-up information window appears on the screen. The Help button allows you to access the WinDaq XL help file. Next, we'll demonstrate WinDaq XL's real-time bridging capability. To do so, we'll need to run WinDaq data acquisition software and click the WinDaq XL Start button. The Device Settings tab allows you to choose a DATAC product from which to port data. The Import Options tab allows you to select a starting cell and specify a number of rows to fill. The Looping option allows you to continually update the specified number of rows. A Timestamp option allows you to include a custom time and date stamp column. In this case, we'll use the default format. A logic-based triggered import option is also available. When the Start button is pressed, the program will begin to stream waveform data into the Excel spreadsheet. You may have noticed that the WinDaq Waveform Browser was one of the products listed in the User Input window. WinDaq XL can also be used to export data from previously recorded data files into Microsoft Excel. To do so, we'll select the WinDaq Waveform Browser and click on the Import Options tab. Here we can select a starting cell and choose the Import Data Between Time Marker and Cursor option. We'll select a previously recorded data file and click Open. Next, we'll insert a time marker into the data file. Notice that as we move the cursor to the right of the time marker, the range of data between the two is exported in real time into Microsoft Excel.